Hello. If your Realme C11 has stopped playing sound through the speaker and constantly shows the headphone S icon instead, don't panic. This is a fairly common issue and doesn't always mean there's a serious hardware problem. In many cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without taking the phone apart or installing any additional apps. The first thing you should do is completely restart your smartphone. Sometimes temporary system glitches cause the device to think that headphones are still connected. After a normal reboot, Android checks the hardware again, so the headphones icon may disappear automatically. If that doesn't help, try using a pair of wired headphones. If your Realme C11 has a 3.5mm headphone jack, insert the plug all the way in, leave it connected for a few seconds, gently rotate it, and then carefully remove it. This simple trick often helps restore the proper operation of the sensors inside the headphone jack. Next, carefully inspect the headphone jack itself. Dust, lint, and small debris can easily get inside. In some cases, even a small amount of moisture can cause the problem. These issues may keep the contacts inside the jack activated, making the phone think that headphones are still connected. Carefully clean the jack with a wooden toothpick or blow it out with compressed air. Avoid using any metal objects, as they may damage the contacts. Also, don't forget to check your Bluetooth settings. If your phone was previously paired with wireless headphones, it may be trying to reconnect to them automatically. Turn Bluetooth off temporarily and check whether the sound returns through the main speaker. Another method is to start the phone in safe mode. If the headphones icon disappears in safe mode, one of your installed apps is most likely causing the problem. Think about which apps you installed shortly before the issue started and try uninstalling them. If none of these methods solves the problem, the issue is most likely hardware related. It could be a faulty headphone jack, damaged internal contacts caused by moisture, or physical damage. In that case, it's best to have the phone inspected by a qualified technician at a service center.